Any mention?
Well, item number 6 may be taken up after 2 weeks because we are yet to contact the petitioner, and because of the election, we are unable to contact him.
Yes, item number 6.
Item number 6.
Yes, I am permitted.
No objection.
No.
This is 2016 matter. Mr.
Yes, next date we will finish it. Just waiting for the instruction where, because a question has been raised, similar matter has been filed in the earlier in other court also, it's pending. So I'm just to clarify about this fact.
Same person.
Okay, just after 2 weeks, the request meet on the petitioner.
All right.
Lucy, item number 19.
Yes.
Lucy, this matter earlier stated that in Supreme Court, same matter is pending. So, no.
The issue that consent.
Yes.
So when do you want it?
It will be after 3 weeks.
19 also? After 3 weeks on the request meet on the petitioner.
20. Your Lordship, similarly in item number 20 also.
20. Same thing.
Same.
Okay, that also just
Lordship.
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, Lordship. Lordship, this matter, Lordship, similar matter is pending before division bench, Lordship.
what is the issue about?
Lordship, this is concerning that right of way, Lordship, ROW, land compensation matter, Lordship.
The similar matter means
Similar matter is
the
pending
claim
before
relating to the same accusation
Lordship,
standing before division bench.
division bench.
Why before division bench?
Lordship, that issue is pending before division bench, Lordship. That's right of.
Lordship, is
Mr.
pending
Sangre,
before
so
the
why
division.
land acquisition matter division bench?
Here, the present case involved land acquisition matter. Government has acquired it, and certain areas, government claim is the right of way.
So far as this case is
This
concerned.
is why this case is concerned. Now, the right of way claimed by the government is derived from the strength of the Karo Hill District Council Act, Land Regulation and Karo Hill District Council Land Regulation, which they have adopted Assam Land Revenue Regulation 1880. Now, we have challenged in other Nogma also challenged the provision of that
Oh, that is understandable.
in a division bench. And
So that any decision made there will have a bearing
it
here.
will have a bearing here. It may be coming up next week.
So issue, not directly the issue of acquisition is there. It is indirectly connected that way. Yes. So when shall we have it?
After 2 weeks or 3 weeks, 3 weeks. Exchange of pleading is completed before division bench also. Hopefully, matter will proceed for hearing, final hearing.
Okay, just say after 3 weeks on the request meet. On behalf of the petitioner.
Oh.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7.
Yes.
Your Lordship, because we haven't received the death certificate of the petitioner number 1, so
You are appearing for?
petitioner,
Yes. And what you did receive?
the death certificate of the petitioner number 1.
So what is to be done?
I pray for 2 weeks time, so that we can
You have
produce.
taken time repeatedly, 1 week, 2 week, 1 week, 2 week is unnecessary. You take it time in one shot and bring it. If you see the order sheet last so many occasions, you have sought grant of time for that thing.
Yes, sir.
Then,
So 3 weeks time, sir.
Then we will dismiss this matter for default.
So,
That is the only solution lies here. Just on the request made by the petitioner. But then if it is with regard to the production of that, just wait for the matter to be taken up. We'll pass order at that stage. You make your prayer for grant of time at the time when it is called for. Okay? No order is needed.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8 also.
Yes.
Because the conducting counsel is having some personal records. Yes, Your Honor.
This one, no urgent. We'll take it up this matter. This court is not inclined to grant any time for this. This is
Relating to the
pending uselessly. There's nothing.
Yeah, one last chance, Your Honor. For
Yes.
yes, this is relating to the removal of signboards on the
That is
roads.
what exactly. And this has happened long back. There is no interim order
I know, Meghalaya.
passing in February. Isn't it?
yes,
And there is no details of how many members are there in your advertising agency. There is no mention about how many of them have suffered because of the impune action. Nothing is there.
Lordship has granted them sufficient time only to clarify this issue.
See, Mr. Khan, so far as this court recollects, probably it was hard at some length at
Some
some
like
point
and
of
then
time.
these issues cropped up.
And
yes.
then basically what they wanted that to take instruction whether this matter
Absolutely,
whether
absolutely.
till now they have not taken, and then these matters are kept unnecessary. See, these are 16, 17 matters.
Let them take
The court
instruction. and
becomes
come back.
answerable.
Let them take specific instruction and come back, please. And so we also, Lordship is cooperating, even I am cooperating, hoping that something will come up and then we can, either way we can dispose of. Or they can come up with a fresh course of action.
See,
But
this
as
court would allow it like to accommodate lawyers, but then
Yes,
within certain permissible limit.
absolutely.
Cannot go beyond that.
This is
See the order sheet of this files, this record, you'll be amused.
Absolutely.
How many times?
How many times?
occasions?
Yes. And we are hoping, Lordship, at least they'll get some instruction maybe and they'll come up with it.
You have instruction. If you want to proceed on merit, even also that also can be done.
I will take necessary instruction, Your Honor. So we'll take it up on the next day.
Okay, Mr. So-and-so, appearing for the petition, makes a prayer for adjournment of the matter on the ground of personal difficulty of Mr. K. Paul, learned senior counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Mr. Khan, appearing, AG here, yes.
AG.
Appearing for the state has no objection. Prayer allowed. Least after 2 weeks. Make sure, see, the court is not recorded, but then court will demand it. Next time we are not getting it. And no, not getting it.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the Contempt Counsel, Mr. Pubin, he went for TP program with Honorable Chief Justice, so I can pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Mr. Yuvin is out of station?
Out of station.
Yes.
Similar prayer for item number 18, Your Lordship.
There also Mr. Yuvin. Who is the other side there?
So Mr. Shulai is there, Your Lordship.
You are also there with Mr. Shulai. Any,
Miss
and
Koni
if
is
you have
there, Your
any
Lordship.
objection, then you have to tell. Otherwise,
No, we have
No,
no
will not
objection.
have objection.
Mr. Yuvin is out of station.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Just say, Miss So-and-so submits that Mr. P. Yuvin, learned counsel, appear for the petitioner is out of station. And prays for grant of some time.
2 weeks' time, Your Lordship. I pray for 2 weeks' time.
The state respondent has no objection to the prayer made. Stop. Then Kara list this matter after 2 weeks.
Deeply
Authorized, Your Lordship.
May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 11, Your Lordship. Lordship, I pray if this matter may come up after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
I'm for 1, 2, and 3, Your Lordship.
No objection. No objection. Just say on the request made by so and so. List after?
After 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
After 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 1 from the supplementary, Lordship.
Item number 1.
Yes, Lordship.
of the supplementary list.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Actually, Lordship, the matter is
Just come
listed
with the
before the
supplementary
CJ,
list.
Lordship.
Was there any?
These matters were heard by the Chief Justice last year.
Then it was heard by that court. Then
Your Lordship, it might be made by mistake, Your Lordship.
oh, there's a change of roster, and it has not been kept part heard before that.
No.
So it has come back. So that is why it has been listed. Yes.
Lordship, 2 weeks, Lordship. 2 weeks.
You are paying for the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship. One of my item number 1 and 2, Lordship.
This 1, 2, and 3.
2 and 3 are all connected.
Connected matter.
So you are paying for petitioner in all the matters.
Yes, Lordship. No, not on the item number 3, Lordship. Only 1 and 2. Item number 3.
You are 1 and 2. You are there. 3.
Yes,
you are
Lordship.
Your Lordship, I'm for item number 1, respondent 5 and 6. And for item number 3, respondent 5.
there. And they, okay, 1 and 2. That's right. And then
Your Lordship, item number 3 for the state response. I mean items 1 and 2, Your Lordship.
1 and 2. Okay, just you record it. Any objection for?
Objection, Your Lordship.
Yes, sir. Then petitioner prays for grant of some time. The respondents have no objection. Prayer allowed, at least after 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 16. I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
My lord, it seems
We haven't received
the records. Their record, my lord, it was got down in fire. I provided the.
We have received now.
When do you want it?
After 2 weeks' time.
We'll have just on the request made on the petitioner. This is matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged.
Yes.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 13, Lordship.
Item 13?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
POXO matter. This is a POXO matter 482, Lordship, for quashing of FIR.
Who is the other side? If you make a mention, please inform the other side. Yes.
We are for petitioner, my lord. In fact, we are ready. We are for the state. We are for the state.
Yes. Also, you can have it next week or the week after that.
Why? What is the difficulty? Petitioner is ready.
Lordship.
POXO, it's for quashing.
It's for quashing, my lord.
And this, what is the prime ground? What is the main ground?
The ground, my lord, is the act is arising from the relationship between the two parties. And the judgment
Consent.
is there passed by the
Consent.
Supreme Court.
Consent.
Law is settled.
That is the issue.
My lord. Two judgments delivered by this bench and as other High Court judgments also there. I'll place before my lord.
What about his prayer?
My lord, my friend is seeking prayer. My lord.
Yes, when do you want it?
Once you can have it next week, I'll get myself prepared for this issue.
Next week means next week. There will be no
Watch.
further time.
Watch it.
You just say on the Mr. A. Karvandam, you are additional PP or
Additional senior GA, Lordship.
additional, you are not designated as PP.
No, Lordship.
Additional senior GA, paying state respondents. Praise for grant of 5 weeks time. Staff, Environment Senior Counsel, paying for the petitioner. Has no objection. Prayer allowed, list after a week.
Okay.
Possible, Lordship.
Witness,
My
item
lord,
number 1.
my lord,
Yes.
I beg to make a mention of item number 9, my lord, the petitioner. I pray if the matter can come after 2 weeks, my lord.
Why? This is a 23 matter, yes.
And for respondent number 2, Lordship. No
Okay, just say.
objection.
This is a new case, comparative new case. Yes, any objection?
Objection, Your Lordship.
Yes, sir, on the request made on behalf of the petitioner, this is matter after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Witness, item number 1.
Yes. Yes.
Lordship, I only pray that the matter may come up after 3 weeks.
3 weeks?
Yes.
The last occasion you have taken 1 week. Okay, Mr. Learned Counsel. Yes.
No objection, Your Lordship.
No objection.
No objection.
Even for 3 weeks.
No objection.
Okay, Learned Counsel, the petitioner submits that in spite of best effort, comma, copy of the death certificate of the petitioner could not be obtained by him. He prays for grant of a longer period of time so that the copy of the death certificate of the petitioner can be obtained and produced before this court on the next date fixed. Stop. The Learned Counsel or the respondent does not object to the prayer. Stop the paragraph. List this matter. After 3 weeks, it is made clear that no further adjournment will be granted to the petitioner. Or cancel it. Last time, cancel it. This is a matter of 3 weeks. Just make it easy. Yes. Sure. Court doesn't want to pass any harsh order, but then doesn't mean that you should take advantage. And sometimes you see it is you compel the court to pass harsh orders. Be mindful of that.
Highly obliged. Item number 10.
May it please Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, Miss N.G. Shilla is on her legs, Your Lordship. If this
You can
matter,
do it.
if this
You
matter,
are not new that you cannot do it.
I'm assisting her, Your Lordship. I'm assisting her, Your Lordship, in this matter.
I have no
The
objection,
leading
my lord,
If
because I have
matter-
forgot my reading
Court
glasses
has
today.
objection, Mr. Bora. You are not having within the word, then court will not run. She can do it.
Yes. Yes.
It is not that she cannot do it.
At the end of the board, Your Lordship.
At the end of the board.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. At the end of the board.
Item number 12.
Yes.
May I please Your Lordship? Conducting counsel is engaging in another court. This matter will be end
You
of the
start
board.
the matter. Court will be there with you.
End
If
of
you
the
have
court,
difficulty, then we'll wait for the conduct counsel.
Similar prayer, Your
She
Lordship.
is eager to do it, you see.
The conducting counsel, Miss N.G. Shilla, she's on her legs. At the end of the board, Your Lordship.
That prayer is rejected. You have to do it. Provided you start. What is that? This matter?
Matter is about
Just
the
tell us.
passing
Just give us a nutshell. What is the matter about? Just tell us. Is it quashing or?
Yeah,
482,
passing
Your
the
Lordship. 482, Your Lordship.
Is it on the basis of any compromise?
Yes, Lordship.
You are appealing for the?
Respondent number 4.
You're opposing the prayer.
No, Lordship, we're supporting Lordship. Yeah, in this case, Lordship.
So it is only the state. Yes. What is to be done?
End of the vote, Lordship.
Hmm?
End of the vote, conducting council.
There is already one matter at the end of the vote.
Next week, Lordship.
Yes.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Just say on the request made by the petitioner, this matter after a week.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Item number 15. Second call, item number 10.
Yes. What is the matter about?
It's 482, Your Lordship.
Quashing of? Quashing or?
Yes, Your Lordship, quashing of. Your Lordship, quashing of the order which was passed with regard to proceeding under 227.
That means 2227 CRPC.
Yes, Your Lordship.
It means against the rejection of prayer of discharge they have come.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where is the impugn order? You earlier you made a mention, Mr. Miss.
Yes, Your Lordship. She's still on her legs, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Bora, what is your case in a nutshell?
In a nutshell, my lord, this case was of 2005. Then somewhere on the road, my tanker was intercepted by the police.
Your what?
Tanker.
Water tanker or petrol tanker?
Petrol
what?
tanker.
Petrol tanker.
Petroleum tanker.
You were driver or you were owner?
No, I'm the owner. I had lent it to another person known as Kamal Chaudhary. So it was in his custody actually. He was trading in narcotics. Actually, the case is that he had
With
this
your consent?
Kamal, not my consent. I came to know later from the other co-accused. Other co-accused, they have their 227 proceeding on 23rd next. So my hired, the rented vehicle of mine, he had used it in this. I had no idea about it. Then he was caught on the spot while he was trying to run away from the spot. Then other two persons, drivers, one sumo driver and one cab driver, who are also engaged in carrying this Kamal Chaudhary and his lawyer, in which one of our lawyer, Mr. Anok, had been involved in that case. So this person, Kamal Chaudhary and these two drivers were arrested, and during the stay with the police, Kamal Chaudhary made a statement.
This is a matter relating to this Joy, recovery in Joy.
Yes, my lord.
Where Mr. P. Arnok was involved.
Yes, my lord.
Might not be proper for this court to take up.
My lord, my case is...
Yes, madam.
Lordship.
One thing, you do not know. Just tell us.
Lordship.
Just tell us one thing. As Mr. Bora has said, that Mr. P. Arnok, you know Mr. Arnok?
No, Lordship.
He was a lawyer.
You know Mr. Santilang Chankija?
Yes.
Mr. Arnok is related to me probably as a brother-in-law.
Lordship.
And he is also a lawyer.
Lordship.
And this matter appears that he was also charged in this matter.
Lordship.
And subsequently he had to come and approach High Court also for getting himself exonerated. Now during that point of time, me also as a professional was consulted. So will it be appropriate for this court to take up this matter?
Once there is any maybe not in the negative term but positive term, interest is their lordship, I think the courts
It may not
recuse
be
themselves.
Mr. Bora, it will go before any other court.
Any other court?
Because since
Yes, my lord. Oh, yes.
you know, Mr. Chankija was,
Lordship.
Mr. Chankija was.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Arnok and Chankija,
Yes,
their
they were.
own brother-in-law.
Yes.
And Chankija was my associate for
Exactly,
years
lordship.
in my chamber.
Yes.
There might be some
So,
conflict.
There may not be, so like any order may have. Is it? I think just list this matter before any other bench. Without me. Sorry, there is no other option. Actually, it may not be proper.
Understood, my lord.
She must be very relieved. The court was forcing her to take up the matter in your absence.
Lordship. I'm still on my legs on the other courtroom, my lord. I'm sorry.
Obliged.
Lordship. Much obliged, lordship.